Hey there, fellow nature lovers. Are you ready for an adventure of a lifetime? Today, I'm taking you on a virtual journey to the heart of Africa, to the breathtaking Murchison Falls National Park in Uganda. Imagine this, the thunderous roar of the mighty Nile River crashing through a narrow gorge, creating one of the most powerful waterfalls in the world. That's Murchison Falls for you. But that's just the beginning. This park is teeming with wildlife, and I'm thrilled to share some of the incredible animals you can encounter on an Amigos Safari's vision trip. First up, the majestic African elephants. Picture these gentle giants moving gracefully through the savannah, their massive tusks glistening in the sunlight. Watching them up close is a humbling experience. Next, let's talk about the kings of the savannah, the lions. Murchison Falls is home to some of the most impressive prides you'll ever see. Imagine the thrill of spotting a lioness stalking her prey, or a mighty lion basking in the golden afternoon light. It's a sight that will leave you in awe. And then there are the giraffes. These towering creatures with their long necks and elegant stride are truly a marvel to behold. Watching them nibble leaves from the treetops is like witnessing a scene from a nature documentary, but in real life. Oh, and let's not forget about the hippos. These massive beasts love to lounge in the waters of the Nile, their eyes and nostrils just above the surface. It's an incredible sight, especially during a river cruise. Speaking of the Nile, a boat ride along this legendary river is an absolute must. As you glide along the water, you'll be surrounded by an array of wildlife. Crocodiles basking on the riverbanks, herds of antelope grazing nearby, and colorful birds soaring above. It's a wildlife spectacle like no other. And if you're lucky, you might even spot the elusive leopard. These stealthy predators are masters of camouflage, blending seamlessly into their surroundings. Catching a glimpse of one is a rare and exhilarating experience. Now let's talk about the birds. Murchison Falls is a birdwatcher's paradise, with over 450 species to discover. From the striking grey-crowned crane, Uganda's national bird, to the vibrant kingfishers and majestic fish eagles, the diversity of bird life here is simply astonishing. So why just watch from afar when you can experience it all firsthand? Amigos Safari's vision trips offer you a chance to immerse yourself in the untamed beauty of Murchison Falls National Park. Feel the thrill as you witness these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat. Connect with the wild. Be inspired by the raw beauty of nature. This is more than just a trip, it's a journey that will stay with you forever, ready to make your dream adventure a reality. Join us on an Amigos Safari's vision trip and create memories that will last a lifetime. Your support not only gives you a front row seat to one of the most spectacular wildlife experiences on Earth, but also helps us continue our humanitarian efforts. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep loving nature. See you in the wild.